Okay, here is a quick small update for members only. I'm working on a project, see right here, of Byron with a motorized gearbox here. I'm in the middle of the process to make it work, trying to fit the gearbox here. Let me show you. Here's the gearbox right here from another model, and this will go like this. Let me see, right there. It's hard to operate or show you using one hand the camera and the other hand trying to okay, here it goes the other way, never mind, right there. So we are pretty close, halfway. Look at that, excellent. So this will be a motorized Byron Trackmaster. Oh, very close. Okay.